What makes us the ideal supplier and knowledge partner in the field of hygiene products? With our wide range of tissue paper, cleaning cloths, non-wovens and dispensers, we are your one-stop shop when it comes to own and private label products. You benefit from an updated range because we improve our products continually and we keep innovating. With clients in over 37 countries, our own flexible production lines and a distribution center in the Rotterdam area, MTS Euro Products has become a leading European producer and supplier in recent years. Every month we process over 2,000 tons of cleaning cloths made of recycled textiles of high, durable and indestructible quality. We have access to 14 independent paper mills. This means we can act quickly and provide customization. We export all this to all continents. You always have direct contact with your dedicated account manager, someone who knows your company, offers input in terms of opportunities, and keeps you updated on the latest developments in the hygiene sector. Service, speed, quality, and a wide range make us who we are. A reliable, service-oriented supplier and knowledge partner for all your hygiene products. It is with good reason that our clients have been choosing us since 1991, and MTS Euro Products is building on the future in order to maintain a high standard of service and to serve our clients even better. We will open our new 30,000 square meter distribution center in September 2021. Once this step is completed, we will be ready for the future. MTS Euro Products, the clear and clean solution.